Alright, so customer states that the seat recline is not working. Okay, so I just managed to remove some other stuff that attach here in the seat back frame, like this. This is a heater pads, and yeah, we're gonna replace this motor. But the good thing was the parts gave me this. So what are we going to do is replace the frame, because the motor comes with the frame, which is good. And I'm gonna stop talking and start working. Let's do this. Okay, attention guys, if you're doing this kind of job, like replacing some stuff in the car seat, be sure to put back properly the lock rings. So those rings hold this leather, so that the leather is, perfectly fit in the foam of your seat, like that. Alright? Alright, so finally we're almost done. So this headrest, yeah, we're gonna put this back once we install the car seat inside of the car. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put this back in the car and we're gonna test the seat recline. Alright, now the job is almost done. So you can see this is the headrest, but like I said before, we put this back, we're gonna test the motor. So first we gotta move it forward. There you go. So that's not the concern, the seat recline. And we're gonna do the recline. I'm gonna do backward. There you go. Perfect. Alright. And we're gonna do back upward. Going to the front. Alright, so we're almost done, and I hope this video guys find you interesting, and yeah, thank you for the support and enjoying watching my videos. And again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not my subscriber, and feel free to put comments. Thank you guys.